Hello traders, this is Radha from CEO's Kevin. So in this video, I'm gonna just explain how to draw support and resistance lines properly. And yeah, every trader, this is a common strategy every trader uses in their, the strategies to identify the reversals and pullbacks in market. So I have chosen the gold right here. It is a gold pair on 30-minute time frame because gold often they respects the levels. So I thought, why not, let's make a video and tell the folks how I took these trades to identify, and I just took these trades based on these support and resistance zones. So let's begin without wasting any further time. So right here it was a support. Let me tell you why I just took these buy trades. I have been buying gold from since this swing right here, almost from 1700 to some points. So I have been buying gold since then, and it's running in profit. I have just closed some of my trades, and I just executed some other trades, other buys from this level because it was support. So let me explain what support is and what resistance is first. So let's start from the support. So support is the level where where you can predict the market could go up when it's gonna reach there, like here in scalping. Let me show you. Like here, it was a support, and you can see the rejections, the wicks of the candles, the rejections, and you can also see the reversals when market comes here and the market goes up from this level. So right here, when we just broke the support, it didn't just respected it as a resistance strongly, and it continued and just broke it. When it just broke it, it was a high momentum from the buyers. It was a high pressure from there, and when it just reversed and retested this level, we just bought again. We entered again some trades. So right now you can see these trades, the gold trades right here. Some they are just going in profit, and market is closed right now, but we are still running in profit. Some these are my the running trades. Still, I'm gonna hold these trades until my TP is gonna hit. I'm gonna show you in the end of the video where are my TP, where is my target, where is my target, and how I just choose to buy the gold. So let's back to our topic. So I was explaining about the support. So yeah, you can see the rejections on this level of these wicks right here, and when it just pulled back and just retested this level exactly from this point, market just reversed up. So you have to find levels like this. Let's find another support level like here. And one more thing, every support has to be a resistance previously, alright, and every resistance has to be a support in previous market. So as well as like here, just to be sure, yeah, exactly right here. Now, how to draw the supports and resistance trend lines, the levels, right? So it was a support. Once upon a time it was a resistance. Market touched here and just continued to fall down. It was a fake out, and again here it was a support. When market retested, it broke this resistance line, and when just retested it, it was made a fake out, and it made another move up. So it is the another sign of a strong support. And right here again, it was a consolidation area. market just broke up, retested the line, and it is just flying, and my TP is right here on this resistance. Alright, so what the resistance is? Resistance is from the level where you know where you think the market is gonna fall and rejects and fall. Like I said, there was a resistance right here. When market just touched here, it was a support previously as well. This support has been broken and tested once, alright, and just fallen down. We had to take the sales right here, and I have took some sales here in the market. I'm gonna show you in my TradingView chart. Alright, so this is the resistance zone where you can enter sell, and remember, every support should be tested. You have where you now the point is where you have to take the trades. How can you know this support or resistance is going to be the level where the market is going to reverse in your favor? So just like here, let me show you. Just like here, it was a support, all right, as we just discussed about it. It was a support line, it was a support zone, all right. So the support has been broken through this bearish momentum candle, all right, this bearish candle. It was a huge momentum and just continued to fall until right here. So when you have to wait. When support or resistance got a breakout candle, and then you have to wait to market to retest that level. When market reached out here, you had to take the sell right here on this candle, and you have seen this rejection. All right, that was a huge move, and market rejected this level, and you had to take the trade from this line, from this level, and your TP would be right to the next support of the market when you are sell. So where's the next sell, or where is the next support? Right here. It's the consolidation now right here. All right. So your TP should have be on this. You know. Let me just be sure. Right here. So this would have be your TP. Now, you must be thinking that why I just put it this line right here. Because of this line, it had a huge momentum downward and just rejected immediately, and also it is a minor, the support right here. It's a good support. So your next, and your next TP is gonna be this 1702, right? So it's about let me just calculate. It's about 85 pips, or 88 pips. Here we go. And where your SL would be, your SL should have be the rejection, the breakout. You see the breakout candle, and you have seen the wick right here. So your next your SL would be right above the breakout candles fix. All right. So the SL, this was our safe zone. The SL is not that the big amount. It's just 40 pips, around 40 pips. So this was a video how to how to draw the support and trend lines perfectly. So let me show you my analysis on my TradingView. So here we go, guys. Let me just make it bigger right here. All right, sorry for that. All right, here we go. So these were some trades I've been looking for and just took, and this is the current trade running in huge profit, right? So let me just calculate the pips, how much it. So currently right now it's running in almost 200 pips right here, and I have closed some of my trades from I have just closed some of my trades right here on this level, but I just entered again right here as I just showed you in my OctaFX brokers account, and that's how I just made a move. It was a demo account, but doesn't matter. The practice goes well, and I have took these trades also in the real account. Alright, so here was a trade based on these zones and the support and resistance. If you want to know about these zones, how to draw these zones, and how to be sure that these zones are gonna work, so it's a completely different strategy, but it's still the strongest strategy when you just come on the zones, and you can rely on them and make a good profit from this. So I think that's enough for the day, and see you in another video. So just comment below and just subscribe to the channel, give it a big thumbs up to this video, and just comment below if you wanna see another video on zones, the supply and demand zones, how to draw them, and how to trade supply and demand. Thank you very much.